If you're even the slightest bit interested in cooking, you've likely heard of the beloved Instant Pot, an electric multi-cooker by Instant Brands that can pressure cook, slow cook, brown, sauté, steam and more. Some can even act as an air fryer. But shopping for one isn't as straightforward as you may think. The brand offers 5 different models with varying functionalities and features, all in a variety of different sizes. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best Instant Pots in 2023. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 1. Instant Pot Duo Plus. The Instant Pot Duo may be the brand's overall bestseller, but our lab pros selected the upgraded Instant Pot Duo Plus as our top pick. It offers everything that the best-selling Duo does, and then some without much additional cost. In addition to the settings offered by the basic Duo, this souped-up model also has settings for making more delicate foods like cakes and eggs. Another key feature of the Duo Plus is the upgraded display. It's bigger and has brighter LED backlighting than the Duo. So if you ever find yourself straining to see the readouts on your appliances, look no further. Number 2. Instant Pot Duo 7. The Duo offers all of the standard Instant Pot features with an extra setting for making homemade yogurt. It comes in 3-, 6-, and 8-quart options and claims to replace 7 common kitchen appliances, including a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, sauté, steamer, yogurt maker and warmer. The inner pot is made of stainless steel, and it boasts a 3-ply bottom for even heat distribution. It also features a delay start tool and a keep warm function. There are 2 pressure cook settings, so you'll have more control over the cooking temperature of delicate foods like soups and lentils, which may ultimately prevent them from overcooking into mushy oblivion. Number 3. Instant Pot Pro 10. If you're looking for an Instant Pot with more advanced settings and some nice-to-have bells and whistles, check out the Pro. This version of the beloved multi-cooker has 10 pre-programmed functions including pressure cook, slow cook, steam and sous vide, among others. This model, which offers 2 pressure levels, low and high, also gives you the option to pre-program 5 of your own recipes, perfect if you have a go-to beef stew or chicken fajita recipe you cook often. Perhaps one of its biggest claims to fame, though, is its upgraded inner pot. It has an extra thick 3.5 mm aluminum layer for faster, more efficient heating. Number 4. Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate Lid. Appliances can add bulk to your countertop, so you can save some of that precious real estate by combining an air fryer and an Instant Pot with the Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate. While the newcomer may be the most expensive model on offer, it's certainly the most functional. This 6.5-quart model works 13 different ways, as a pressure cooker, air fryer, slow cooker, steamer, sauté pan, food warmer, roaster, mini oven, broiler, dehydrator, yogurt maker, sous vide and bread proofer. Number 5. Instant Pot Pro Plus Wi-Fi Smart 10. If you love all of the latest and greatest tech for all of the convenience it affords, don't sleep on the Instant Pot Pro Plus. It's a fully connected multi-cooker that can be controlled wirelessly via a compatible smartphone app. You'll get access to a robust catalog of more than 800 recipes. Just select the one you want and then follow on-screen prompts to walk through the entire process from start to finish. You can also wirelessly release steam or program a quick or delayed steam release at the end of a cooking program. That was our list of the top 5 best instant pots just for you.